If you're experiencing low performance in GTA 5, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance the game's performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings by navigating to the settings menu. We'd use options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing to improve frame rates. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website like NVIDIA or AMD to download and install the latest drivers for optimal performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help the game run more smoothly. Step 4. Optimize game files. Use the game's built-in optimization tools or third-party software to check for corrupted files and optimize game performance. This can help fix issues that may be causing lag. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Increasing RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can significantly improve game performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience in GTA 5. Enjoy your enhanced gaming.